Hello everybody, it's Jen, Scrapbena Creations. I'm so excited to be guest designing for the July subscription kit from Lizi called Summer Fruit. This kit is absolutely adorable. I wanted to do a quick unboxing while it was still available for purchase. All the links will be listed below if you are interested in taking a look at this kit. There was a similar kit last September that I did that was a Halloween focus that had these little girls, and the kit sold out super quick. So if you're thinking that you want this kit, I encourage you to run over to Love from Lizi and order yours now. I will go through the kit in more detail. This is the main kit. There are a number of add-ons available in the shop as well. And I mean, just look at the size of this embellishment pack. So I'm excited to show you everything about this kit. So let's get started. So here's a closer look of the cardstock and specialty paper in the kit this month. You get 5 coordinating pieces of 8.5 by 11 cardstock, as well as 2 Copic friendly or alcohol marker friendly papers. The acetate sheet is so cool. I don't know if it'll pick up on camera, but one side has silver foiling diagonal lines in it, and the other side has gold. You can probably see it better here on the white pattern paper. So this is the gold, and then on this side it's silver. And you also receive an acetate sheet with some lines on it, which will be really fun to play with. The peel-offs are a gorgeous light purple color with some glitter. These are the stripe peel-offs. The stamp set is absolutely adorable with these 3 little girls ready for the summertime. This little one just has her leg kicked up. This one's in a really eeny beeny teeny polka dot bikini. It's not polka dot, but it's a tiny bikini. And I love how this image is the back of this little girl. And then we have this one with the really big ponytail who is having a piece of watermelon. There are 4 sentiments: sun, sand, watermelon in hand, sweet thanks, hello summer, and have a wonderful summer. So that's the stamp set this month, which I love. The pattern paper are just beautiful, loving the pineapple. This is single-sided pattern paper. So there's a lot of really fun prints. This one's really neat. It almost looks like it's embossed. We have this one with the fern leaf. Some more zigzag pattern here, which is kind of a Love from Lizi regular in her self-designed pattern papers. So you get tons of 6x6 paper in this collection. I am so excited to get started making some cards for you. Pretty watermelon one. And here's the front of that pattern paper. So there's 20 single-sided pattern papers, including 5 that are pearlescent. There are tons of embellishments this month included in the main kit. There are these tassels, which look really fun. Some foam squares included in the kit so you can pop up the embellishments. There's a ton of embellishments, cut-aparts included, or die cuts included in the kit this month. I'll go through some of those in just a second. There are some enamel dots in 5 different colors. Some really gorgeous sequins, and there's actually little fruit pieces inside. There's little kiwi, strawberry, watermelon slices. So cute and so fun for shaker cards or any kind of decorating on your cards. There are 3 washi tape included this month. This really pretty gold glitter. Then there's this kind of pinky, purpley foil tape, and this really cute fruit tape. It's got the watermelon, the lime, and then the flower, which is really pretty. So really fun to have 3 full sets of washi tape. There are these clear sentiment stickers pop up off the page, so they're raised, which which is really fun. So you could put these right onto the pattern paper, or you could put them onto white or black cardstock as well. There is the sentiment die cut or word die cut Aloha with the exclamation point. And there's also the shadow die for that as well, which is really cool. And then there are also the dies for the stamp set. So this kit is just packed full of amazing goodies. I'll show you quickly some of the die cuts here. I won't go through all of these. Love from Lizi does have a kit unboxing on their video, but I just wanted to show you how sweet these little girl images are already colored up. So you can go ahead and make cards as soon as your kit comes. You don't even have to worry about coloring. There's all kinds of different ephemera. Here's the little girl in a bikini and a skirt, and she's having a cocktail. The little watermelon girl who's adorable. Another little girl. So this is really fun with all these little characters. You can make some adorable cards. This one here has a surfboard. There's another little redhead. This is one of the girls in the little bikinis. And there's lots of feathers and flowers and surfboards. And then there's this cute little trailer as well. So that's the July card kit. Stay tuned for a 10 card video from me using the kit. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I will see you soon. Bye.